That sound like a plan. King,
Yes.
how often Savage come up there?
Well, Savage is a man where you can't do study, you know. Him tend to pop up ever so often. Even though me did find it strange when him come the other day. But after holding a little reasoning with him, I think I find out why.
Oh, okay. Why?
Boy, you run a facial recognition from the brother there and tell me what you come up with.
Who this?
What that more you to tell me? Them call him Yankee or Zero. One deport him. You don't know, figure it out.
Deported. That means I'm going to start the search overseas then. Savage. You sure you don't want me to do this in the comfort of my space and then get back to your car? It's going to take a minute, you know.
You really are sick. You need a minute in the comfort there. Brother, you need it now.
Well, put it simply, you know, him say him would like it from remain confidential, and you know, I respect him wishes, just like I respect yours.
Okay. I respect that.
Miss Brissett, I don't want you to think I'm prying, but the other day when you and Savage was up there was a peculiar, for lack of a better term, energy between you and him. Why really a go on?
King, long and short of it. Savage is a colleague whom I really care about. But sometimes him level of arrogance and ignorance make him go off the deep end. And as lawmakers, we can't afford that.
I understand completely. But I can't help but get a little fairy godmother, god sister vibe coming subliminally. I don't know if you're aware of it, but you know.
I not like him. I check for Savage. But you can't be a lawmaker and then I break the law at the same time. Me want to make sure him travel the straight and narrow.
Miss Brissett. Yeah, sometimes when the straight and narrow just is not enough.
Yeah, King. But as lawmakers, we made a vow to uphold the law. And me can't stand by and watch him break them. Can't do it.
Hello? No? You serious? Say less. May I leave from when me there right now? Miss Brissett, me have to go make a quick move. Thanks to the drink.